क्वेश्चन है fill in the blanks. पहला, the same kind of plants grown and cultivated on a large scale at place is called crop. The first step before growing crop is dash of the soil is preparation. Seed. Damaged seed would dash on the top of water. Float. For growing a crop, sufficient sunlight and dash from the soil are essential. क्या है इसका? वाटर एंड न्यूट्रिएंट्स. अब इसके फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स खत्म हो गया. अब हम क्वेश्चन आंसर करते हैं. गिव डिफरेंस बिटवीन खरीफ क्रॉप्स एंड रबी क्रॉप्स. पहले खरीफ क्रॉप्स करेंगे. द क्रॉप्स विच वर ग्रोन इन रेनी सीजन्स आर कॉल्ड खरीफ क्रॉप्स. इसके एग्जाम्पल्स हैं पैडी, मेज, कॉटन एंड एक्सेट्रा. अब रबी क्रॉप्स. द क्रॉप विच वर ग्रोन इन द विंटर सीजन्स आर कॉल्ड रबी क्रॉप्स. एग्जाम्पल्स wheat, pegram, etc. One word. Providing water to the crop is irrigation. Keeping crop grain for a long under proper condition. Storage. A machine used for cutting the matured crop. Harvester. A rabi crop that is also one of the pulses is gram. Certain plants of the same kind grown on the large scale is crop. A process of removing the grain from the calf is winnowing. Write a paragraph on each of the following. इसके पैराग्राफ लिखने पे preparation of soil. It is the first method to be followed before growing a crop. This method is would employed for loosening the soil to allow the root to penetrate deep into it. The loosening of the soil helps in the growth of several soil microbes, earthworm, etc., which certain enrich the soils of the humus and other essential nutrients. Plants require nutrients for their proper growth and functioning. The process of loosening is called tilling of the soil. Tilling of soil brings the nutrients rich soil to the top. This helps the plants to village the nutrients for their growth. अगला पैराग्राफ इस पे लिखना है sowing पे. Sowing is another important step in a crop production. It is the process of placing seeds in or on the soil for future growth. The seeds are selected for growing should be good quality. This will improve the net yield of the crop. Sowing is usually done with the help of either a traditional is shaped like a funnel. It was earlier used for sowing seed. Nowadays, seed drills that makes the seeds of tractors and are used for sowing seeds. This tool disperses seeds uniformly and sows seeds at proper depth. Next है weeding. Plants that grow along the crop are known as weed. It is the process of removing the weeds, yathm, etc. Common weeds complete with the crop for nutrients, light and space. As a result, crop plants get lesser nutrients, light and space for their development. This in turn reduces their productivity. Thus, various weedings are employed. D है threshing. Last, threshing is the process of separating grains or seeds from chaff. It is done after harvesting the crop. It is usually carried out with the help of machine known as combine. This is a combined harvester and threshing. It harvests plants as well as grains. Explain how fertilizer differs from manure. Fertilizer are commercially available plants by the nutrients and plant waste. They can be organic or inorganic nature. They ensure health, growth and development of plants by providing them with nitrogen, organic, potassium, etc. A fertilizer does not provide humus to soil. Manure is a natural substance prepared by the decomposition of avoid excreta. Manure is also to have a large quality of organic material and little amount of plant nutrients. They help in enriching the soil with matter, nutrients and phosphorus. Fourth, manure provides humus to soil. Fifth, it protects the environment and helps in recycling the farm waste. Last point. Its excessive use causes pollution. It replenishes organic matter of soil. If wheat is sown in the Kharif season, what would happen? Discuss. If wheat is sown in the Kharif season, then the whole crop might get destroyed because of many factors such as lack of potassium, temperature, adaptability. Seasons includes the rainy seasons, which is not favorable for the growth of wheat crop. Therefore, wheat crop did not be sown in this season. Explain how soil gets affected by the continuous plantation of crop in a yield. Continuous plantation of crop in a yield makes the soil poor in certain nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, etc. Plants required when a farmer continues to grow crop one after the other. Then all nutrients available in the soil reduce and the yield decrease automatically.